Ready to turn your podcast into a revenue stream? Let's dive into how you can set up listener support payments in Buzzsprout. First, head over to buzzsprout.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, create one. Once logged in, the interface is user-friendly. Inside your dashboard, look for Podcast Monetization. It's usually in the main menu. Click on it to access your monetization options. You'll see a few options here, but for listener support, you'll want to focus on the support link feature. This is your golden ticket. Click on that to get started. Now, you're on the support link setup page. You'll be prompted to connect a payment processor. Buzzsprout integrates with several platforms like PayPal or Stripe. Choose the processor you prefer or that works best for your listeners. Follow the instructions to link your account. You'll then be able to specify your desired donation amount or offer different tiers for your listeners. Next up, the fun part. You can craft a custom message and even create a branded support link. This link is what you'll share with your audience, letting them easily support your show. You can add a short description of why they should donate and use these funds. Once your support link is ready, it's time to share it. Put it in your podcast show notes, your website, and social media profiles. Briefly explain what listener support enables you to do, like create higher quality content or cover production costs to keep the podcast going. With your support link activated and shared, you're ready to receive donations. Buzzsprout will handle the payment processing, and the funds will go directly to your linked account. Keep creating awesome content, and let your listeners show their love.